folks, today we're going to be making Sloppy Joe pie. Now folks, we tried a recipe for Sloppy Joes. Now you can use Manwich or any of the store-bought, whatever your favorite kind is. We was just trying this recipe out and it was pretty good. It has brown sugar in it. It's a little on the sweet side. So that is entirely up to you folks. If you want to just use the store-bought can and mix with your burger, it'd be a whole lot easier. Alrighty, there's butter and then olive oil, of course our burger, and then there's onions, and you can put bell peppers in if you like, garlic, tomato paste, ketchup, and there's water. And then there is brown sugar, yellow mustard, and then here's all of our spices mixed together in there. And then there's Worcestershire sauce. There's all of our spices. Let's get started. Okay, here's Carolyn dicing up our onions for us. Alright, now we're going to put in our butter and olive oil. Heat that up, melt it down a little bit. And then we're going to place our ground beef in there and brown it up. Alright, just brown it up good there. Boy, that browned up quick. Now we're just going to drain it. Now throw in your onions. We're going to cook them until they get translucent, and then add your garlic. Boy, this is coming along quicker than what I thought it would. Like I said, folks, you can use whatever you'd like. Shoot, as far as that goes, put you some taco seasoning in there. Have you a taco pie. Okay. Now, there we're putting in our tomato paste. Give that a stir. Carolyn's pouring in her ketchup. Adding a little bit of water. That would have been 2/3 cup. We doubled this recipe, folks. And Carolyn will be sure to have the recipe in the description. Now we're adding the mustard. This is one of them meals, if you can catch the burger on sale, you can eat off of it a couple days. There we just added our Worcestershire sauce there, or however you say it. Pour in all of our spices. Stir it up real good. We're getting close, folks. Now, just let it sit there and cook for a little bit. Thicken up if you want it to, however thick you want it. Now, the next part's coming up. I'm going to be making the bisquick. And I use 2 cups of bisquick, 2 eggs, and 1 cup of milk. And the cheese is optional. If you want to put cheese on top of it, go right ahead. Entirely up to you. Now, we just spooned the sloppy joe mix there inside that casserole dish. Mix up the bisquick there, Doug. Come on, Doug. Get the program. Alrighty, folks. Here we put our cheese on top. We've got our bisquick all mixed together here. Now we're just going to pour that on top of there. And then we'll bake it for, I don't know, 30-35 minutes at 375. Alright. Here we go. Getting ready to put it in the oven. We'll see you in about 30 minutes. Folks, I don't know what happened to this part of the footage. It just ain't there. But we do have some pictures of the finished product. It turned out great, folks. I think you'll enjoy it. I'd like to thank y'all for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hit the little bell notification. Share it with your friends. And hope you have a blessed day. We'll be seeing you soon.